Hello, my name is Kyumin Lee. Welcome to WPI, and thanks for your interest in watching my video. So I would like to talk about my research interest and introduce my research group, and then showing some examples of research project we have been working on. Here is my research interest. So first of all, I am an associate professor in computer science, data science, and also also affiliated with artificial intelligence degree program. And I'm the director of InfoLab, which is the name of my research group. And I am currently artificial intelligence graduate coordinator. My research interests are information retrieval, such as search and recommender systems, natural language processing, such as a large language model, generative AI, social computing and machine learning AI over large-scale online systems like the web and social media. So here are some examples of my recent research project. So we focus on two different research thrusts. First one is machine learning, AI, and their applications. So one of the projects we have been working on is natural language processing. For example, doing knowledge alignment between graph neural network and the pre-trained language model. The figures show high-level framework of our proposed approach. So the main idea of this project is we want to apply, we're trying to kind of have a similar representation of similar document or similar node in a graph. And also we want to make sure representation of document and node has a similar representation to make knowledge alignment between graph neural network and language model. And we also have been working on the recommender systems. As you know, recommender system is everywhere, such as e-commerce sites, such as Amazon or eBay, but also streaming site, Netflix, etc. So we have been focusing on how to build more effective and less biased recommender system. And recently, I have been doing some collaborative work with other professors from social science and so on. So the topic is called AI for Social Good, especially focusing on disrupting operations of a wildlife trafficking network. So there is some illegal poach, illegal trading is happening. How can we apply machine learning and artificial intelligence to prevent or identify people behind those operations online? On the other hand, I'm also interested in, or we are also interested in cybersecurity in web and social systems. So basically now focusing on bad guys, how can we prevent spread of incorrect information, such as misinformation analysis, detection, and mitigation. The figure shows when misinformation spread over social media. So there may be fake content which would influence dissemination of those misinformation. So applying causal graph, we want to identify two cause which makes misinformation get propagated. So eventually we identify through treatment such as lexicons or word which actually making misinformation get propagated. So another research topic we have been working on is hate speech detection. So as you know, the word getting inseparate because of maybe religious reason or politics reason, lot of tension happening in society. So as a computer scientist or data scientist, we want to identify hate speech, like online in digital world. And also on the other way to kind of mitigate impact of hate speech is generating counter speech so that we can kind of reducing the attention of hate speech. And recently, generative AI such as ChatGPT became popular. I or my research group is also interested in that area as well. So for one of the projects we have been working on is how can we automatically identify LLM large language model generated the text so that hopefully bad guys, they may use LLM to generate fake news or fake content. We can still identify, okay, this content is generated by machine or human. Okay, so those are highlights of our research project. And then this slide shows what my research group have been doing, or in terms of impact and what award we received. So we have published over peer-reviewed 90 research papers in various places, and then our work has been cited over 6,000 times by other researchers. And then as part of our research outcome, we also released over 20 benchmark data and software and source code. And because of this, we received the 2 Test of Time award from CGAIA 2022 and CIKM 2020. So which means basically our work made the biggest impact in 10 years in the field. And we also received the NSF grant and Google Faculty Research Award and so on. And then this is my last slide and showing our current group members. Thank you for your long attention.